Good afternoon and welcome to week number 2. Great job on our first week, and I wanted to go over what we're going to accomplish this next week. We are starting with the hotel business, and I always hesitate when we're talking about this because typically hotels is what most people think of when they think of hospitality. And so while we're starting with the hotel business, it's certainly only the start, and we'll move quickly through it as we explore some of the other areas of the hospitality industry. So in this particular week, we're going to think about hotel ownership and development via hotel franchising and management contracts, looking at the classifications of hotels and how that's discussed. And then also making sure that we highlight vacation ownership as a really growing part of the industry. Think about timeshares. And then I have compiled all of the service evaluation criteria that you submitted from your week 1 assignment. And I've created our class's service evaluation that we'll use for this semester. So let me go ahead and navigate to that, and we can take a look at it together. How we have this laid out is through a discussion. Actually, all of the assignments this week are discussions, and I'll have a better version of this so that you can see the grids, but the submissions that I received that were most important to you for evaluating service was attitude, and that can cover smile, friendliness, being genuine or tone of voice, availability, cleanliness, communication, quality, and I added something here because quality is pretty ambiguous, so I'd love to know what factors did you use to determine quality. Timeliness of service, and then would I recommend or go back? And this is kind of a generic service evaluation so that you can use it for any customer service experience that you encounter throughout the semester. It could be an Uber, it could be a grocery store, it could be dining, it could be a hotel experience, it could be air travel, it could be retail shopping, online shopping, Amazon having to return something. Anytime that you're evaluating customer service, that's what we're looking for. So this is going to be an ongoing assignment. So you'll see this pop up each week as a reminder. But because it'll be ongoing, I'll grade it at the end, and it will be eligible for extra credit. So you get 10 points for each service evaluation that you create on your own experience, and then you'll get 5 points for commenting or responding to a peer's evaluation. To kind of this exercise kind of mimics what we would do in a classroom setting when we have dialogue about customer service. So I have some examples there, and we'll upload the proper document for fall 2022 so that we can be able to share our customer service experiences and evaluate customer service and think about it maybe in a new lens. So I'm excited about the opportunities to see where we go with that. And then I did also just want to highlight that the Zoom office hours that I have are optional. They're optional office hours each week at 5:30 p.m. And if you have questions, you're welcome to log in. If that time is not convenient for you, please let me know and I can set a different time, either for that week or meet with you separately. So I hope that you have a great week 2. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, and have a great one. Bye.